Okay, so the key to trainer text visual phonics really is the trainer text that allows the child to keep decoding words even when they're unfamiliar or irregular. So I've got a little example here of a phrase from Robin Hood, which is his beautiful daughter Marianne. So the first word here, his, actually when you look at it, if you've been taught the phonetic alphabet, it looks a little bit like hiss, which doesn't make sense. But when you click on the word in Trainertext, you've got the three sound images appear. So you've got the horse and the chorus above the H, which is the H sound, and then the igloo with a blue hairdo above the I, which is fine, and then the Zuto above the S. So this is the Zuto from Pluto, and it's the Z of the Zuto that gives the sound of the letter. If we look at this next word, it's a tricky one really for a learner. It's beautiful, but when you look at the sounds, it's relatively simple. You've got the bear above the B, and then the unicorn above the E. So you've got the unicorn of unicorn to give that sound. So it's beautiful. Let's look at the next one. It's daughter or daughter in the American pronunciation, which is this is coded for at the moment. So you've got d, o, t, r. Now, if I change the dialect here in the settings, we can go to a more appropriate one for me. And now, when we click it, we got the d, or, t, which is the Southern English pronunciation. So you can see that that this system is rather beautiful because it just helps the child all the way through with the decode. They never need to get stuck. They can just keep decoding. By doing that, their subconscious picks up all these letter patterns and sounds and how they relate. And really quite quickly, the images are needed less and less until the child is decoding the words fluently and is a confident reader.